strawberry milk carrot smoothie or carrot milk strawberry smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the strawberry smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the strawberry milkshake recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the carrot milkshake recipes and one of the most different of the carrot smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the carrot recipes and one of the most unique of the milkshake recipes. Today we're going to make strawberry milk carrot smoothie. We've taken around 50 grams of strawberry, around 100 grams of carrot, and around 50 grams of sugar. Now putting the carrot pieces. With the strawberry pieces. And the sugar. Close and grind well. Pour in around 50 to 60 ml of milk. Mix with the ground carrot and the strawberry. Close and grind well and blend. Pour it in the 300 ml milk. Close and grind well. Now the blueberry milk carrot smoothie is ready. Now the strawberry milk carrot smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour in the strawberry carrot smoothie into the glasses. This is the final strawberry milk carrot smoothie. One of the tastiest of the strawberry smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the milk recipes and one of the most different of the carrot recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the carrot recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.